Maharani Putri Agni. I'm from Mataram University, and today I will share about one book that I think is very interesting, and title is Science Everywhere by Gerald and Margaret. Let's see the next slide. In the book Science Everywhere, there are several contents, such as how animals are different, how animals get food, how animals escape from enemies, change all about you, using magnets, using electricity, the air around you, the earth you live on, the sky above you, and the last one, using water whistle. Next slide. The first content about how animals are different. Many different kinds of animals live on the earth. There are animals large and small, short and tall. For example, there are large and small animals. The large animals such as elephant, whales, and buffalo. And the wild small animals such as ants, snails, and bees. In the second content about how animals get food. Wild animals need food too. They have no one to feed them. They must find food for themselves. Wild animals get their food in many different ways. For example, birds fly in the air with their mouths open. When they fly, birds also catch small insects flying in the air. The next content about how animals escape from enemies. Animals are inseparable from the world prey or be preyed upon, and think about how to avoid their enemies. Some animals escape from their enemies by running as fast as they can. For example, a deer can sometimes outrun a wolf, and a rabbit can sometimes outrun a fox. The next content is change all about you. There are many things that change around us in some time. There are changes in the sky or change in the weather. For example, there is an experiment on the evaporation of water in a bird bath. Because there is evaporation, so it shows a change. Another example, freezing, melting, burning, and growing is a change too. Next slide, about using magnets. Magnets attract objects made of iron or steel. Magnets have different shapes such as U, bar, and horseshoe. But the shape does not affect the object being attracted. There are two simple experiments using magnets, for example, making a simple compass and making a nail into a temporary magnet. In the next content about using electricity. We always use electricity in our daily lives, starting from turning on water, lighting, and many more that require electricity. As another example, the use of electricity can also be in the form of a switch. A switch makes us comfortable using electricity. A switch can be used to turn on lights, radio, to turn on a vacuum cleaner, electric iron, electric stove, and others. The next content is the air around you. We live at the bottom of the ocean of air that surrounds the earth and is much deeper than the ocean of water. Air is everywhere, including in the soil and also in the water. For example, an experiment was conducted that showed the presence of air in the soil. when water was poured onto the soil and the presence of air bubbles when the water was heated. The next content about the earth you live on. The earth can be described as a place where many people live. The earth can be described as a forest, snowy mountains, desert, farmland, or beaches. The earth also has many different parts such as hills, mountains, fields, forests, oceans, beaches, and desert. For example, in an environment where someone lives, it is described as a hot and dry desert with few plants and animals that adapt to this condition. The next slide about the sky above you. The sky contains the sun bright, the moon, the stars, and clouds. The sun shines above the clouds even on cloudy days. Okay, the last one content about using water wisely. Living things need water. Humans, animals, and plants all need water to live and grow. In places where water is scarce, humans store water in a tanks, reservoirs, or ponds for daily use. Water has many benefits that are very important for the lives of all living things. Without water, life as we know it will not be possible. And yeah, those are something about content of book Science Everywhere. I think I recommend this book because there are so many things that we can learn. Thank you for watching my presentation and see you later. Bye bye.